So Jamaica, them say no we no nice like yard. No we no nicer than yard. And them never did a lie, never did a tell no lie. So Jamaica. Big up on yourself, you know. Yo, I be a drama. Backla fling, people a get blame. So Jamaica still up on top of the thing. Yo, make sure son smash that subscribe bell. You see it, turn on the notification bell and like and share the content. So right now, Jamroll left the world speechless. People, people, I don't know. Say, no one a nicer than yard. And as you can see, things is getting more interesting as the time goes by. Now, make us start off with the early segment of the show. People, last year on the thing say it did turn up. This year, me I tell you, say people Jamroll. People have all kind of speculation about Jamroll, but me I tell you, say this a Jamroll that was entertaining to the ground. Me I say, oh my God, people wanna watch it on live. Did anybody watch Jamroll Sting on live? Oh my Lord. Me hear an artist ball out and say, them scam him for him live money. Demarco say, after I'm in bed, which is quite weird because Demarco was supposed to be on Sting, right? Artist him in bed. Same a pay for him watching in the show. Only for see him get scammed. And it basically what I say, look like a Netflix him did pay for. I never did know and things that a Sting him I go watch. Cause a big thing I go on over there. You see it? Backla fling. Two artists chuck off a stage. I will push who are out, bridging. An artist gets stung or him gets a sting them say name, right? Yeah, it swell up like wasp bite him. So Jamaica, what really going over Sting? We are watching the thing on live, you know. Right? Live performance we are watch. Live stream. I mean I tell you say in the comment section. In the comment section, me I say no. This already not start off too good. Me I say Jesus. The people them a ball. The people them a say yo. Them can go up on YouTube right now and go watch a Ninja Man show. From one time Ninja Man a done Sting. And still have a better vibes than what previously I take place right now. So this is very interesting because it's a lot of great artists when I get a chance. I get look past. Right now, it's all about who you know, who you link with, who like you. And that's it. It's no longer about your talent, dedication, your sacrifices we make to stay up in our music, dancehall and reggae. It's none of that no more. This is all about who dress better, who for friend richer, and who have bigger links. Cause you can't tell me say you couldn't find a better roundup. And actually, a good artist them not get for perform. So basically, what people them say is like say Sting a turn in a lime tree lane. And then the wickedest part about it, Len get blamed for everything. And as the Foota hype say, Len can't stand the blame for everything because you not to blame everything for one person. Boy. So Jamaica, you know say dancehall and reggae music, worldwide, global, right? If our thing, they grown, right? They make it start move shaky. You know what go on? Other people them will move in and just stick with dancehall and reggae. Remember, say I only a yard them thing I go on certain way, bro. We have to deal with the dancehall thing better than that. You see it? The artists them will need to get a break, a light shine upon them. Nah get the chance. You see it? We could have a better turnout if we would just give some artists that light there. Now, we see an artist a perform and the artist out of breath. The artist completely out of breath. And them a mash up the comment section. Me say, yo, what go on? So Cathy I say, yo, she have to take a whole break in her verse to catch her breath. I said, Jesus have mercy. So artists no rehearse no more. So artists no know if they control them breath and them thing there. You see it? It's just people right now. Everybody get up and just do the artist thing and there's no training with this thing. You understand? You see, it's a thing about performance. A big difference with recording a song and then performing the song. You see, it take a lot of energy for them on the stage, especially moving to and from. You see me? You have to exercise, drink a lot of water. You know what I mean? Keep yourself up. That means you breathe right. You understand me? And you have to rehearse. So that means that the band is not going to leave you. You understand? Because if the band knows it, when you come on to live performance, right, you can't hold your breath a certain way. They might go slow down the performance here. So the beat not going to left you. You understand? It's simple. You have to know music. That way you're not embarrass yourself. Because the band is not expect to see you drop shot on what they might do. Remember this, they might play off of keys and notes. So they might move with the flow. You supposed to move with the flow. So if you did rehearse, they would have already know that say, when you reach to this point, it won't be your greatest performance point here. So we have to go. You know what I mean? Level the thing a certain way. So you not embarrass you. But still, powers go to everybody. And let's get down to who got stung. No, people. Karachi are going on stage. While enough artists never get to perform. To really put on a good show for the people. See? Artists. Well, so far, Fully Bada says like them set up in performance a way star where artists are gonna walk out on them when they never expect and him they don't tell them say yo if the artist they forward on them stage it not gonna turn out right. People wanna feel about that. Did Fully Bad go about it the right way? Or should I let the artist DJ? That's the next thing. But anyway, big up the artist them and Coyote are doing thing, you see it? So this one I want to know now. Because people are saying the same thing. How come him never push off Coyote? Well, them say him and Coyote fi clash. Don't know. People dance all turning at the streets. You don't know, say I saw Jamaica, you know. But right now still, artists seeing a clash and then a artist forward on the stage. And by the artist, he said two words. All me see was an artist I get licking him head side with a microphone and the man then drop off his stage. The two artists could have went damage themselves right there, so. You see me? Sting could have went turn out horrifying. But people have said, John no star. Cause you see where nobody now look on brother, look on the height where the artist them drop from. Pray that. Artists, wise up. Keep it in entertainment, you hear? Yeah, man. So Jamaica, and subscribe.